Welcome back to Math Solver 1117, where math become easy and fun. In this video, we will solve a very interesting Olympiad math problem, that is 7 raised to power m plus 7 raised to power 2m plus 7 raised to power 3m equals 14. You have to find the value of m. So we will start solving this question as we will write 7 raised to power m equals, let's suppose this equals u. That means 7 raised to power 2m equals u squared, and the 7 raised to power 3m will equals u cube. Now we will write u plus u squared plus u cube equals 14. Now we will make another substitution here. 14 can be written as 2 plus 4 plus 8, because 8 plus 4 is 12 and 12 plus 2 is 14. And other reason is that this can be written as 2 power 1, 4 can be written as 2 squared, and 8 can be written as 2 cube. So this will become, first we write u cube plus u square plus u minus 14 equals 0. Then u cube plus u squared plus u, in 14 we can write 8 plus 4 plus 2. Then u cube plus u squared plus u minus 8 is 2 cube, 4 is 2 squared, and this is the 2 power 1 equals 0. Arrange this, u cube plus u square plus u minus 2 cube minus 2 square minus 2 power 1 equals 0. This will become u cube minus 2 cube plus u square minus 2 square plus u minus 2 equals 0. Now we will apply formulas on this. First of all, formula of a cube minus b cube, that will equal a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square, and the other one is a square minus b square, that equals a minus b into a plus b. Apply these formulas. So we will solve this further here, because then in place of u cube minus 2 cube we will write u minus 2 and then u square plus 2u plus 4, and for the other one we will write plus u minus 2, u plus 2, and the last one is u minus 2. Equals 0. Now take u minus 2 as common from this. So remaining is u square plus 2u plus 4 plus u plus 2 and plus 1 equal 0. So what will this become? We have u square plus 3u u square plus 3u plus 7 equals 0. We have u minus 2 equals 0, which gives us u equals 2. Write this here. For the other one, u square plus 3u plus 7. Apply the formula of quadratic. So minus 3 plus minus b square, that is 9 minus 4ac, a is 1 and c is 7, divided by 2. So this will happen minus 3 plus minus 9 minus 28 divided by 2. So this will have complex root. This will complex and this is rejected. So only possible is u equals 2. So write this here. What we get? U equals 2. That means 7 raised to power m equals 2. Taking the log on both sides, so we get m equals log 2 by, first we write this as m log of 7 equals log of 2. So m equals log 2 by log 7. Apply the change base rule here. So m equals log base is 7 and 2. So this is the final answer. Now we will do the verification. So for verification we will substitute this value. So 7 log base is 7 in the left hand side. 2 plus 7 and this 2 is in the power form, log base is 7, 2 squared plus 7 and this 3 is in the power of form. So this will become 2 plus 2 squared plus 2 cube, that is 2 plus 4 plus 8, that is 12, that equal right hand side. So it's mean our answer is correct. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117. This channel is the learning hub for O levels, A levels, IGCSE, GCSE and many others competitive exam solution. Keep learning, keep growing. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.